So my routine usually involves just a normal soap, antibacterial soap. The antibacterial soap. That's what I use for washing my face. So I know most of you say that there is an improvement, so like I just rub the soap. Very gently. Oh, these are painful. They're so painful. I feel like scratching them, but I can't. Okay. I speak death to you, pimple, in Jesus' name. Yeah. Then I just wash my face. That's it. Face like that. Tap, 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 tap.
To Chicago because that was a national pattern for people
like that.
What is it? The late 19th and early
tap, tap, tap.
century. And so now the black folks are like, we went.
And then I apply the moisturizer.
I hope this black-ish.
Yeah, so some moisturizer. The ingredients are simple: coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, beeswax, crocodile oil, vitamin E, tea tree, and that's just about it. And the fact that it's non-greasy. You guys, they're making noise. Being a mother is hard. So this should cover my entire face. I think this is too much. Still painful, but needs to be done, right? And then I just cut 2 cloves of garlic, and then I take it with water. Cut. Thank